Hi everyone. If you are someone who are speaking this language for a very long time, but even today you are not able to speak confidently just because of doing wrong activity. Yeah. So stay connected with me till the end this video and you will understand everything, and from today you will not have difficulty to speak this language. What happens? So many people try to learn this language, yeah, but when it's come to speaking they are not able to speak. It's because they are doing only input activity. Yeah, our main goal is to speak this language confidently, but we are not able to speak. Yeah, it is true, because we do 99% activity. Yeah, that is included in input. Yeah, that is included in inactive activity. Yeah, what does I mean? We speak, we don't speak this language. We speak 10% and we do 99% things, which is not, I think, very much important, I think. Yeah. So one sentence I want to say that speak 90% and yeah, don't go in theoretical, like writing sentence and and write your daily journey. No, don't do this kind of thing. Yes, we don't do outer activity like self talking, imitation, yeah, and self recording. Yeah. So all these things are outer, yes, outdoor activity. Our main goal is to speak this language, not to become fluent at grammar, not to become good at writing. Yeah. So if you are someone who really want to speak this language, you have to speak more and more. You have to imitate. You have to practice your self-talk. You have to record your every single day. You just have to use your mouth 90%. Yes, and learn grammar or whatever which is not practicing your mouth directly 10%. So this is what I wanted to tell you all. I hope you all have understood, and like this video. I will meet you another video with another thing. By then, bye bye.